Hello guys, this is Siva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful volatility index strategy. Alright, this strategy is mainly for volatility 75, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to trade properly with this strategy and become profitable. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I'm going to quickly share with you guys the indicator setup for this, and then I'll be explaining and then I'll be explaining how the strategy works. Okay, so the first thing we have to do here is to click on this F icon. After clicking on that, we search for our moving average. All right, so you click on this plus icon and then you make the period 20, the shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to its close, the level you leave it as it is, time frame all time frame, the style you make it color blue, 3 pixel, and you click on done. All right, now the next indicator we have here is the relative strength index. Okay, so you click on this plus icon, you make the period 1, the apply to its close. For the levels, you make it 15 and 85. The star, you make the color red, 3 pixel, and you click on done. All right, the time frame is all time frame. The star, you make the color of your background, 1 pixel, you click on done. All right, now the next indicator we have here is the envelope. All right, so you are going to be clicking on this indicator window 1 plus icon, and then you search for your envelopes. Okay, the period is 1, shift is 0, deviation we have 6.000, method is simple, apply to its close. All right, the level you leave it as it is, time frame all time frame. The style is you make the upper band color blue, 3 pixel, the lower band color red, same 3 pixel, and you click on done. The last indicator we have here is still an envelope. All right, so you're going to be clicking on this plus icon again, then you search for envelope. All right, and you make the period 1, the shift is 0, deviation we have 0.008, the method is smoothed, applied to its close. All right, you leave the level as it is, time frame is all time frame. Right, the upper band you make it color red, lower band you make it color red, and 3 pixel for the both of them. After that, you click on done and you are going to have a screen like this. Okay, once you have done everything as I've just explained it. Okay, so now how does the strategy work? Before I show you guys how the strategy work, I want to quickly remind you guys about the powerful boom and crash strategy, the VIP boom and crash strategy for growing as little as a $5 account. Okay, so if you know you're a beginner and you have been blowing your account, then you should come for this strategy. Okay, so if you want the strategy, you check the description of this video. You're going to see my WhatsApp contact. Do message me and we'll discuss on how you get the strategy. Okay, so that is that about that. Now, how does this particular strategy work? Now is a volatility strategy, and as you can see is a scalping strategy. All right, you can see this is the 5-minute time frame, and this strategy, if you're having a $10 account, then this is a strategy that you need to use. Okay, so now how does the strategy work? As you can see, when look at this indicator window, when this red line gets to the blue line here, you can see the price start reversing to the downside, and same thing happened here again. When it got to the red line here, which is the oversold level, price start buying to the upside. All right, now you know when price will be buying and selling. Okay, now there's one more condition before you go in. Okay, because sometimes it might touch the blue line and it will still be going up. Okay, now how do you know that it will certainly go down once it touches the blue line? Okay, that's the main thing that we need to talk about here. Okay, that's what I want you guys to know. All right, now it comes down to the candlestick patterns. Okay, so for those of you that don't understand candlestick patterns, you need to go and like study more on that so that you get the understanding and how it helps in the forex trading market. Okay, so now I'm going to be showing you guys some few examples that is going to work in line with this strategy. All right, in order for you to use the strategy effectively. Okay, now once price gets to this blue line, all right, on the indicator window, we are going to be looking on the main chart. All right, now you can see that this blue candlestick here is giving us a long wick and a huge body here. Okay, now once you see this kind of candlestick pattern, it means that price will reverse immediately from that area. All right, that's what I want you guys to know. This is what we call a shooting star. All right, a falling star. It's called many names. Okay, but what I want you guys to know is that I want you guys to take note of this kind of candlestick pattern. Anyone you see with a long tail and a head, okay, is a very good and powerful strategy. It's a very good and powerful candlestick to take note of. Okay, so this one now, after you saw this candlestick, you can see that price start reversing from that area. All right, now then again price got to this level, and then you can see this kind of candlestick pattern again. This is what we call the engulfing. Okay, the engulfing candlestick pattern. Okay, now there was a red candlestick here, and the blue one, sorry, the green one here engulfings the red one. Okay, it's now bigger than the red one. Okay, so you can, whenever you see that this whenever you see this happen here, you can see the red, the blue, the green candle is now longer than the red previous one. Right, so once you see this kind of thing, price is certainly going to start buying to the upside. This is a bullish engulfing. All right, so you can see that, and I'm going to show you guys a bearish engulfing in order to take note of that. Okay, so you take note of these two candlestick pattern, the bullish engulfing and the falling star. All right, it might happen with a red candle and it might happen with a green candle. Okay, but just take note of the candlestick patterns. Okay, so that is what I want you guys to know on this. Now when price got to the overbought level again on this area, you can see that there was another candlestick pattern here. All right, so I want you guys to take note of these two candlestick pattern, the falling star and the bullish engulfing here. Okay, so once you see this kind of candlestick pattern, whenever the red line touches the red or the blue area here, you should take note of them and take your buy or sell entry immediately. Okay, but whenever the candlestick pattern did not happen, then you should avoid the market. Okay, it's not every time that you see something that there are some trades that you need to just let go and wait. Okay, patience is also very important in the forex trading market. Okay, so now whenever you see a candlestick pattern like this, I'm coming, let me show you something. Now you can see whenever you see a candlestick pattern like this, you can see a long wick and a big body here, and you can see that the red line here is also at the oversold level, touching this red line below here. And you can see once this condition was met, you wait for the candlestick pattern to be formed. Immediately it happen, price must certainly go up. All right, it's a must. It happen, and whenever you grab this up, let's say you notice this and you took some entry here, from here to this area is a very good profit for you. Okay, so make sure you take note of all those kind of things in the market. All right, so you can see price again got to the oversold level, overbought level, touching the blue line here, and you wait for the candlestick pattern to form. Okay, in this case there was two signals for you to take opportunity from. All right, you can see a long wick and a body. All right, followed by another long wick and a body here. You can see this is what I'm talking about, these two candlestick pattern here. You can see that's a very good candlestick pattern that you should be taking note of and you should be taking advantage of every time in the market. Okay, so you can see once it happened, price sold to the downside. Okay, so that is what I want you guys to be taking note of, all right, in the market. So you should take note of that. You can see another one here. This is a candlestick pattern and it's also a bullish engulfing. Okay, because the body is also bigger than the previous red candlestick here, right, which is a bullish engulfing, a very good signal for buy. All right, and you can see price bought massively to the upside. All right, So that is what I want you guys to take note of. All right, take note of this. It's a very good strategy and it works very well on volatility 75 index on the 5-minute time frame. Okay, because this is a scalping strategy, so I want you guys to take note of this. All right, so I'm going to go again with this example so that you understand what I'm saying. All right, let me go again. Once this red line gets to the blue line, the overbought level, you wait for your candlestick pattern, a very long T and a body like this, and then once you see this kind of candlestick pattern, you take the opportunity to buy or you sell depending on the area you get the signal. At this area here, this is the overbought, so we are going to be selling. All right, so you sell to the downside till this red line gets to the downside, which is our 15 level. Once it gets to the 15 level, you exit. It must not touch the red line before you exit. Okay, once it gets to the 15 level or the 80 level, you exit the market. Okay, now we wait for the buy opportunity. Once you get the signal, the candlestick pattern, once it gets to the 15 level, the oversold level, and touches the red line below there, you wait for your candlestick pattern. All right, immediately you get the signal, you buy. All right, and then you hold till this line here gets to the 15 level, and then you exit the market. Get to the 85 level, sorry, get to the 85 level, and then you exit the market. All right, but you can wait for it to get to touch the blue line sometime. If you're having a good account size, all right, to hold, you can wait for it to get to the blue line, and then you can exit from there. Okay, but if you're having a small account, you must not necessarily wait for it to get to the blue line or the red line before you exit. You can just exit once you see that it has gotten to the 85 level or the 15 level. You exit and then you wait for your next opportunity. Okay, so that's it, guys. What I want you guys to do now is to go and practice very well with this strategy. Once you have practiced and you see that it's working for you, then you can go in with your hard-earned money. Okay, so that's it, guys. I'll be seeing you in the next. If you're a new viewer coming across my channel for the first time, please do make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. Thanks for watching, guys. See you over.